In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your primary email address on LinkedIn. It's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your LinkedIn homepage, navigate to the top left corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then continue to scroll down until you locate settings and tap on it. Then on this interface, proceed to tap on account preferences. Then proceed to tap on name, location and industry, which is under your profile information. So this will drop you onto an interface like this. Proceed to tap on edit icon. Then you can scroll down until you locate contact info. Then proceed to tap on edit contact info. So you can see your current email address here. Proceed to tap on it. Allow it a moment to finish loading and you land on an interface like this. In order for us to change our primary email address, we have to first add a new email address by typing on add email address. Then a 6-digit code will be sent to our email address. You can enter it. Then proceed to tap on submit. Then you have the option to enter your new email address and your password. After that, you can submit, and that's it. You have successfully changed your primary email address on LinkedIn. As I said, it's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider checking out our next video. See you in the next video.